Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to see who is connected to your iPhone hotspot. To see who is connected to your iPhone hotspot, make sure first you turn on the cellular data from your screen or from your control center. Next, go ahead to the settings, cellular, or if you have iPhone 17 Max, then you can see a separate option under cellular. You're going to see personal hotspot. Click on that. But if you're in the older version, like iOS 18, then go ahead inside cellular data. Press here, instead of set up personal hotspot, if you're new, you need to set up personal hotspot. But if you're not, then you can go ahead and click the personal hotspot option instead of set up personal hotspot, right? And look under maximize capability, right? To view a list of connected device names and their data usage. You can also see the number of active connections in the control center by long passing the network settings card. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.